Central Park. Cold, wintry day, 2020.
March. Hear that?
So, I'm so happy I finally made it down to Trader Joe's. I didn't get a chance to get my lentils, but I have been ODing on lentils, so I think I have enough lentils in my system. Just want to share what I got with you guys. Trader Joe's hash browns off the hook. Blood oranges. Bananas. You know, you got to make sure your bananas are sealed at the top for freshness. I got these wonderful wheat burger buns. Seeded, of course. No preservatives. This grain bread right here has 10 grains. No sugar. Your bread should never have sugar. Flour, no flour. This is all good stuff. Organic oats. Almond milk. Trying this new ginger turmeric herbal tea. I got some lemon pepper with a built-in grinder. Plan on making some lemon pepper wings. Got my sweet potato avocado. Multi-grain waffles. Nice. Marinara sauce. Very little simple ingredients. I could count how many ingredients in here. Look at this. Puree diced tomatoes, salt, soybean oil, chopped garlic, onions, tomato flakes, basil, oregano. Bam, that's all you need, no sugar. Organic coconut oil always comes in handy from head to toe and inside and out. Got these wonderful burgers because this is a cheat weekend. You know, you gotta have some fast food, but the good stuff. Trader Joe's turkey burgers. Trader Joe's chicken lime burgers. Chili lime chicken burgers. Grass-fed Angus burgers for you beef eaters. That's not me. Anyway, Trader Joe's frozen spinach for your smoothies. Some Brussels sprouts. These eggs are off the hook. I've been buying eggs from the local market and I've been feeling it. I've been feeling it and I've been smelling it. They got such a strong, stink smell, them local eggs from the market. You gotta get these eggs from Trader Joe's. No GMOs, no antibiotics, no hormones, vegetarian, grass-fed. And the price is right. Then I got these wonderful wild Alaskan socket salmon fillets. The price is right. Telling you, they even give you some directions on how to make it, prepare it. Fresh. With, they got a nice cream spinach recipe. I might try it because I do have spinach. Oh, don't forget, this is one of my favorites. This makes the house smell so good. You put it in the oven and go back to sleep. And you wake up to the smell of pepper, turkey, bacon, unpureed, no nitrates, no nitrates, no nitrates, no preservatives. These are the best. Then, you know, I got this wonderful pack of organic chicken wings. The price is right, $6, and you get like 16 winglets. You can't go wrong. And then another one of my favorite go-tos is this healthy chopped veggie mix. It has 8 different vegetables in here. Now, for someone who's on the go like me, I like to have objects like this around because these ingredients you can just grab and go, grab and go, grab and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And we drink nothing but the good stuff here. So we got this mashed sparkling fruit drink. You wouldn't believe how much sugar is in here. I'm talking about 25 milligrams. 25 grams. 25 grams. Things that I got from Trader Joe's. Lots of lemon in this concoction. And all I did here was put some lemon juice. I squeezed the lime and I squeezed the lemon in here. And then I put in black pepper. I put in lemon pepper grinder seasoning. I grinded it in the seasoning, fresh. Also put in some cayenne pepper. Also put in some sea salt, light sea salt. So this is all I put in here. Oh, I also put in some turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is very good. So all I'm doing is just mixing everything in slowly. I'm gonna let it sit in the fridge for about an hour and a half to 2 hours so that it can marinate in. And then I'll let you know what I'm doing next. See you guys in a minute. Of course, he's never satisfied, so he's gonna put in more seasoning. That's what he does. It's fine. It's okay. It comes out very great anyway. So
I agree.
I'm just gonna let him do what he does. Cause you know, I cook a little bland sometimes. Yep, he gonna get the cracking for a minute. Let him do his thing.
Edit.
End result. Nicely marinated chicken. Now we're gonna let this sit for about an hour and a half. Thank you. Almost forgot the fresh garlic. Oh, diced garlic.
One more shake for the road. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
That was tough. That was a real tough one. I'm breaking this down to size now. So guys, we are getting a little bit hungry. We don't want to wait for the pepper wings, so we're gonna make some quick burgers right quick. Just to satisfy our hunger till we let the pepper wings marinate. Sweet potatoes on coconut oil. Then we got the turkey burger with Angus beef burger. I don't mind having the beef burger in the same pan because I like the flavor. The burger is a little dry, so you want to do as much as you can to give it some flavor. The turkey burger. And it's going to be his first time trying beef Angus burger from Trader Joe's, so we're going to see how this goes, right? Check out this burger. These burgers are tasty, everything you want in a burger. Juicy inside, crispy, look at it, sizzling. Sizzling. Turkey burger, Angus beef burger. 80%, 20%. You know the ratio.
80-20 is
The best ratio to have for the Angus beef. Alright, everything's doing well so far. Burgers is looking really good. I like my burgers well done, so I'm not gonna go out rare, medium, well, all this other stuff. We eat it too well done. That's it. Crisp, all that. Tender inside, good, flavorful, all that. Moving right along are the sweet potato fries. Coming along pretty good. Ready to come out in a minute. Ready to go. Turkey burger. Trader Joe's. Good. Meal is now complete. Homemade with coconut oil. Coconut oil. Trader Joe's. So good. Turkey burger, sweet potato, and fries.
And you can't send us that shit. And you under WAP. And I sacrificed my whole life.
Avocados.
I always say, that's why.
So this is what I got from Trader Joe's. This is the end result. Lemon pepper wings with Parmesan marinara spaghetti. And I put in that 8 veggie chop mix. It has 8 vegetables chopped in it, such as red cabbage, carrots, celery, jicama, green peppers, a whole host of vegetables in there. And I put a couple of slices of avocado on top. So this is what it is. Bon appetit. Mwah. Yum, yum, yum. Thank you. So I decided to cook a little something. I went to Trader Joe's today and I cooked me some lemon pepper. Now this veggie mix is wonderful. It has 8 different vegetables. And I topped it off with some avocado slices. Good. Lemon pepper, Parmesan pasta, 8 veggie mix, avocado. All from Trader Joe's. Turkey bacon. I got some sunny side up eggs too. Multi-grain waffles with bananas, organic bananas, and hash browns, all from Trader Joe's. Sunday brunch. So this is what I made. I have some organic ginger turmeric tea, caffeine free, blood orange. Guys, I wish you were in here right now. This smell of the salmon is everything. This is salmon crusted. Olive oil. So good. Guys, I don't typically eat scrambled eggs, but when I do, I make sure I have all the good ingredients. I'm trying out this new cast iron pan, and so far, so good. It's doing me justice. Good, it's wonderful. Remember these cast iron pans from back in the days? Don't be too close to your mama. She might catch you. So guys, I'm back with another dish from Trader Joe's. Scrambled eggs, red peppers, scallions, the chopped veggie mix that comes with 8 different chopped vegetables, the Alaskan wild salmon. Shall we say bon appetit? Bon appetit, manja manja. Better late than never, and yes, I cooked myself. Yeah. I usually get my lentils from Trader Joe, but due to conveniency purposes, I just work with these from the local market. These are the lentils I cook with. Black lentils, green lentils, red lentils. Put a little garlic, a little black pepper, cayenne pepper, turmeric, and you're good to go. Get the EVOE and the apple cider vinegar. Totally healthy if you put rosemary, oregano, ginger, thyme, and some black pepper. On a cold day like today, who don't need no lentil soup with white canola bean, green peas, red onions, green peppers, garlic, scallion, cayenne pepper, oregano.